to show you how to make this airplane. And so this is what it looks like. So first you fold it the hot dog way. And you guys might fold faster than me. I just like to make my folds good. Unfold it. Fold it from here over. So fold it to this line right here, like that. On that line. And then do the same with the other side. And then fold this down. Like this. And then fold these corners down to the line, like that. Do the same with the other side. And then fold that up. Flip it over. Fold it like this. And it may not look perfect, but it still flies good. And then fold it like these. See, like it might be crumbled up like that, but it still will fly like that. Throw it. Now, this is what it does when you throw it. But when you want to hold it, put your thumb right here, and your pointer finger on these corners like that. And then basically just move your arm back and then throw. And it, here, I'll re-throw it. So, here. They fly better, but in a house, it doesn't work very well.
Whoa, got caught on that.
Because it's like in tight places, so it's harder to throw.
Yep.
So, here's the airplane again. Close view. Super nice. And yeah.
See ya.